Make new figures.
It's time for a figure magic show. I'll start with 2 squares. I'll say the magical words, put together, and look what happens. The 2 squares turned into a rectangle. But you don't have to be a magician to perform this trick.
You can put figures together and take them apart to make new figures.
Let's take a closer look. There are 2 squares. If we put the 2 squares together, look what happens. We make a new figure. Now, instead of 2 squares, we have 1 rectangle. So, put together 2 squares to make a rectangle.
I have another trick to show you. Watch this hexagon very closely. I'll say the magic words, take apart, and look what happens. The hexagon turned into 2 trapezoids.
Now let's try it. We can move the top half of the hexagon away from the bottom half of the hexagon. Look what happens. We made 2 trapezoids.
Making new figures is fun.